Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Learn with Merba. Today we learn this and these.
दिस यूज होता है एक चीज के लिए और दीज यूज होता है ज्यादा चीजों के लिए. दिस के साथ इज यूज होता है और दीज के साथ आर यूज होता है. स्टार्ट रीडिंग.
This is a tree. These are trees. This is a lamp.
आराम से.
This is a lamp. These are lamps.
दिस यूज फॉर सिंगुलर, दीज यूज फॉर प्लूरल.
Plural. These are sweets. These are huts.
वेरी गुड.
These are cats.
वेरी गुड.
These are eggs.
वेरी गुड.
Yeah. This.
What are these?
What are these?
This is a
Shirt.
shirt.
These are balls.
Very good.
These are books.
Very good.
These are caps.
Very good.
These are bells.
Very good.
Like, subscribe and share for more. Bye bye.